Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, kukunin natin yung unang motorsiklo natin dito sa Canada. Ngayon, nandito na kami sa Honda dealership. So, let's go! Nandito na tayo sa loob ng dealership, mga Come2Bike. So, ito yung mga display nila ng mga bagong motorsiklo. Yung Honda Rocos, yung C-Trail 125. Dito lang natin sa Canada. Kahit itong CRF Rally, ang ganda. So ito yung luma na city.
Get out, you have to take 10mm bolt, 10mm bolt, and then and once you get these plastics off, they just pull off, and there's a 10mm bolt on each side that hold the seat down. I would recommend getting it out of there probably, right? So another thing I'll show you here, a little secret spot here is it's a little I'll just show you that.
Oh, yeah, that.
And your few tools in there. Yeah. So this one, I'll show you this side, John. Come to this side. So we put a little battery maintainer wire on here, so in the wintertime you can buy one of these battery maintainers and then keep the battery charged and ready to go for spring. Okay, so we put it on there. You understand that? Yeah. Okay. So it is carbureted. So this is on. There's a choke right here. Yeah. 2 levels. 1, 2. Because you're driving. Yeah. Full tank of fuel.
Oh, yeah. So you can get gauge right.
What's that?
No gauge right.
For the fuel? No. You don't when it starts to shake, then you turn it on reserve and find a gas station.
Okay.
Yeah. That's her.
So yan guys, nakuha na natin yung motor. Katatapos na namin lahat ng mga paperworks. Yung napili kong bike, ito yung Honda XR 150L. So ito yung 2024. Ito yung napili ko kasi dual sport siya. And ready na tayo mag-ride.